Hey, Adil, I think you are talking and on mute.
Sorry, my bad. So my bad. Uh, so yeah, let's get started. Welcome to Safe Cluster Lifecycle Release Team Meeting. Usual reminder, we follow CNCF Code of Conduct. That means just be nice to each other. And yeah, let's get started. Today we don't have much to discuss. So basically, uh, people who are new to the release team, um, I just want to first say welcome. Welcome to the Six Cluster Lifecycle Meet. And we are, our journey will be like 4 months long. I think in 4 months, we will do multiple batch releases. And in the end of the release cycle, we will do the minor release. So yeah, welcome to the team. So I have shared the document in the chat. So you guys can add your name in the under the attending this. I think some people are already adding their name. And so in the agenda, you can add something if you want to if you have something to discuss. Uh, yeah, so I can start with my discussion topic. I have added some useful links that you guys can go through. Um, so first one is a tracking issue for 1.5, 1.8 cycle, sorry. So this tracking issue, we have all the tasks that we have to do in this release cycle. Uh, and it's divided by weeks. Like for first week, we have to do these tasks, and in 1 to 4 weeks, we will be deprecating the code that is not going to be used. And for each task, there is also a README file. Um, there is a link to the README file where you can check the prior art PRs and also check what this task means, like what you actually need to do. So if someone wants to take, I think we don't have any task that needs to be taken in the first week. Most of them are have the PRs already. This one is already taken by Nivedita. And these are comms team's tasks. I think so from comms team, someone can take these ones if they want. These two are remaining. So this is the issue that we will use for the whole release cycle by the end of, yeah. And yep. And second link is this is the schedule for our release cycle. It's just like dates on which date we will be releasing which batch release. We are not adding the exact batch release numbers here. Not sure if it's needed here. We in the release task we have the exact numbers which batch release we will be doing in which week. But here for some reason we don't add it. I don't think we were even adding it in the previous versions also. So we try to stick to this schedule as much as possible, but obviously if something happens in the CI or there are some critical things that we need to fix, we might deviate from this schedule a little bit. But our aim is to stick to these releases, this timeline as much as possible. So this is the timeline, and then we have this also release team. This is I have already have a PR in which I have added the Slack IDs and GitHub IDs for all the team members. It should be merged soon. Once it's merged, you guys can also see all the team members here. Yeah, and this is the third URL is for the release documentation. So here in this folder of the CAPI, you can see all the documentation regarding the release. We have release task, onboarding. So you guys can go through them. And if you have any question, you can ask your lead. So I would suggest that every team lead, CI lead, and comms lead have I will also have a meeting with with my team, and I will go through the onboarding task with my team, and other leads should also arrange the meeting with their team and go through the onboarding task and guide them. So, yep. What else? Yeah, this is mostly it. This is our first meeting we had. We already have one patch release. I have added the link to the meeting here for the patch release that we did yesterday. And for the remaining patch releases, we will also keep on adding the links here for the YouTube videos. Um, and here is a YouTube playlist. In this playlist, you can see all the SIG cluster lifecycle related meetings. This has all our release meetings, and this also has the office hours meetings. So you guys can check this. If you miss any of the meeting, you can always go through these meetings after whenever you get time. What else? Yeah, that's mostly it from my side. Next we have Sunnat. Sunnat, you want to give the CIE update? You want to say something?
Yeah, there is one issue. So basically, last run of uh, cap min KS main in main branch is failing. So yeah, if
Mm.
you can check that. Other than that, we do not have any like major issue. And yeah, I also checked the aggregated test results. So basically,
Yeah, this was a bit
not
confusing.
that much. Yeah, this is
I opened this and when I checked the prow logs, it says all of the tests are passed. Last 3 runs. This one failed. Yeah, this one was failing. Then after that, all
yeah,
3 tests are passing.
but
So
it's showing as failing.
yeah,
So let's wait for a while, and then probably it will pick up. Otherwise,
yeah, you can post it on the Slack and ask the maintainers, what is this behavior? Is it a failure or it's just it's showing failure because of this? I'm not sure because it doesn't seem like
all
a
right.
failure. In the prolog, it says all the tests are passed. Um,
Yeah, that's interesting.
yeah,
And one more question to you,
yes,
actually. So there, you said yesterday you said there were like a cluster cap cattle upgrade from 0.4 to 1.6. Flake is uh, taken care of by by
yes,
the maintainers, right?
yes, yes,
So did that PR got merged? Because
yes.
I see that uh, today happened a couple of times. Yeah,
It got merged
yeah,
today. I'm not sure when
today.
was it merged. Yeah. Okay, everything is closed. That's we don't have any Flake. What? Am I checking it? Oh, I'm checking the pull request. Sorry, my bad. I'm not checking the issues. Okay, so let's see what flakes we have. Yeah, so this has been going for,
Killian,
uh, yeah, this one. This was merged today. Let me check when was it merged.
7 hours ago. So
7 hours.
yeah, okay, then I hope that will go away.
Yeah, 7 hours ago. And let's see in this board.
If you go down, yeah, and you can
This is
see it happened today.
522. I'm not sure what uh how it's reporting. Like 522, it's 522. 22. It's. 522. 22. It's. 522. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22 But let's see, couple of days.
Yeah.
It should get fixed soon.
Yeah, other than that, we do not have any major issues.
Yeah, let's see tomorrow how it goes. Because this is a 1.7 and 1.7 is backported, but I'm not sure if that PR is much. Let me check again. So he backported it to 1.7. Yeah, this one. Let's see if this is merged. This is also merged, but when was this? 2 hours ago. So it's merged recently. So on the main, I
Yeah.
don't see a failure. Main, the failure was 23rd, yesterday. On main branch.
Okay.
And this was also main, and this is also main, but these are on 22nd. So
Yeah.
I think it's fixed, but let's see. By tomorrow, you will see less lines on this graph, I think.
All right.
Yeah. Other than that, with CI team, this is how you can check the flakes. This is a
And this is how we report. Right?
yeah, so a
That's
report.
right.
Yeah. Yeah, I can add a test grid link maybe for this one. Yep. Yeah, that's mostly it from my side. And if does anyone have any questions or anything they want to add? If not, feel free to ask anything that you want to ask on the Slack channel. Yep, that's mostly it. Thank you. Thank you everyone for joining. Thank you.
Everyone.
Thank you, Adil. Thank you,
Thanks.
everyone.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thanks. Bye.